Greetings. Welcome to the Monte Cristo Dog Show. Today we are going to be discussing the latest in technology. So, sit back and enjoy our show. Happy Monday morning. I'm Rebecca Jones. In today's tech news, our focus is on Sweden's care for patients with dementia. Their program involves innovative housing solutions for the elderly. Sweden, like many developed nations, is grappling with an aging population and the growing financial burden of eldercare. In response, Ikea and Skanska have teamed up through their joint venture, BoKlok, to reimagine how dementia care can be delivered affordably and sustainably. Their innovative project, SilviaBo, aims to create thoughtfully designed homes that help seniors with memory loss live independently, reducing the strain on government-funded institutions. For over 30 years, BoKlok has specialized in modular, cost-effective housing across Scandinavia. Their model is rooted in the IKEA philosophy: mass-produce prefabricated parts offsite to cut costs, and offer payment options tied to a person's income. This same approach is being adapted for dementia care, with new homes constructed just outside Stockholm that cater to the unique needs of individuals suffering from cognitive decline. The SilviaBo homes feature subtle but vital modifications to support residents' safety and comfort. Bathrooms lack mirrors to avoid confusion, and appliances rely on tactile knobs rather than digital interfaces. The community layout encourages outdoor interaction with gardens and shared social spaces, making the environment inviting for both patients and their partners. These elements aim to balance affordability with compassion. The initiative responds to a looming demographic challenge. By 2040, a quarter of Sweden's population will be 65 or older. BoKlok CEO Jonas Spangenberg emphasized the importance of allowing people to remain in a home-like environment rather than being institutionalized. The project takes its name from Queen Silvia, whose personal connection to Alzheimer's through her mother inspired her active involvement in the effort. SilviaBo is still in its pilot stage, but it has already demonstrated potential. Although the first 6 apartments face local permitting hurdles, BoKlok remains optimistic. The company's vertically integrated model from land procurement to construction and sales allows it to scale quickly. Once approved, the ultimate goal is to encourage older adults to make the clever move early, choosing homes that adapt with their needs over time. We hope that you are enjoying our podcast. Tune in next time for exciting news in the world of technology. This is Rebecca Jones saying bye-bye for now. We hope you have enjoyed our show. Tune in next time for more technology news. Goodbye for now.